Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Hello.
Hi, everybody.
Hey.
Welcome to Facebook Live.
With the Wolff couple.
The Wolff couple.
Howling for your success.
That's right. Oh, we're howling for your success. And I buy houses.
Matching I buy houses.
Isn't that cute?
Today we're going to learn a skill.
That's right. This is exciting.
What skill are we going to learn?
Pogo sticking.
Pogo sticking.
I don't know how to pogo stick. Brian's going to teach me how.
Yes, so let's watch Lynette learn how to pogo stick.
What do I put?
Both
Both feet at once? Or
yeah,
one?
put your feet on
one
there
at a time?
and jump up and down.
Wait,
You got to balance on the foot pads.
Oh!
Okay.
Wait.
Get your weight right over the foot pads and then start jumping up and down.
Okay.
Okay, now watch. Here's what you do. In pogo sticking and in life and in all activities like real estate investing, what's good is to watch someone who knows what they're doing and then emulate what they do.
That's right.
I hope I can do this. I haven't done this actually in a long time.
Okay.
So you gotta watch how I do it. Okay, see, I'm not there.
Oh, I see.
And then you gotta keep the pogo stick under you.
Oh, wow. Okay. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. See,
Okay. So what did you do wrong?
that is not what you want to do. You don't want to fall.
Did you hit a
So
crack?
keep your feet under you the whole time.
Okay.
All right, so here you go.
Okay.
Don't visualize the last part.
Okay,
Now,
visualize.
after you saw what I did, you want to visualize
Before you
doing
fell.
it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
same
I'm going to
thing.
visualize it. You grab that one. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. I'm a great pogo sticker.
See how
I
you
know how to pogo stick. I can see myself pogo sticking.
Up and
I
down.
saw Brian pogo sticking. Okay, ready? Here goes. Okay. Oh! Oh! I got
There you
it!
go. Now you're a pogo
That's
sticker.
right. Hey.
Look how she learned it.
Look,
So
you can go
easily.
nunny nunny.
Whoa, whoa, she really got good fast.
I got good fast.
Really good.
Here, go get your pogo stick, honey.
She loves to do the pogo stick with
Watch,
the,
you can go none-handed and you can swirl. Look, you can go in a circle.
yes.
Isn't
I
that
have
cool? Brian has the old one. I got the new one. Isn't
You
this
get that
fun?
height. Your spring is better.
Yay!
Yay! So that's our edition of pogo sticking
Going backwards.
and how to learn something. So learning something, watch someone who knows how to do it like on our videos. And then
Ta-da!
visualize yourself doing it and then just practice.
In no time, right, Brian?
Yep. You're awesome, honey. And then you'll be able to do it.
You'll be a pro.
We're doing a book release on September 21st. The flip side of flipping is going to be on Amazon, and we want you guys to all
I'm
order
going to
it.
do a flip right now.
Yeah, right. And we'll give you a special CD and manual when you order the book on September 21st. We'll send that to you. Ron, he already wrote the foreword, and he wrote 2 chapters. So, guys, you can get this.
But you have to order it on that day.
That's the release date.
If you like this pogo
Oh,
sticking
yeah, the pogo
episode,
stick.
go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs
Give us a
up.
like. Give us a love. And you know what? You should share this one. This one's
Yeah,
pretty
this one's
cool.
fun.
Pogo sticking with I Buy Houses on it. Share this with
Yeah,
everybody.
look how good Lynette was. Isn't she
I
amazing?
was a fast learner.
Yeah, right. All right. Bye for now.
Bye.
Oh.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of great new videos.